get this. Between 3,000 and 4,000 years ago, that's between the first and the second millennium BC, someone in Anatolia, which is basically Turkey, created this bronze sculpture. And what we have here is an Anatolian farmer, this geezer down the end, holding a stick and guiding a plough with 2 oxen up front, pulling the plough with this hame and harness around their necks. Isn't that extraordinary? Amazing. But this is the manifestation of society, an agrarian society at that moment in time, where the hunter-gatherer had become a settled person, growing crops in settled communities with a purpose, that is, to achieve economic gain. What's this object worth? The auction estimate is between £10,000 and £15,000. Time to scatter some seed, I think.